In a world where brothers often come at a time, the Philippines stand as a guiding light, a land where the past present dance in harmony, guided by the wisdom of indigenous people.
7,000 pulo ang ginawa, mga hiyas na inila.
Indigenous peoples and indigenous cultural communities at the core of our nation's essence hold the responsibilities of safeguarding traditions handed down over generations.
The island's original settlers have lived in small pieces of land. One of 6 lots they occupy has been fenced off after their homes were demolished by a developer in March. But instead of letting fear take over, they say they must honor his memory by continuing to fight for their right to their ancestral land.
Yet, their sacred land's way of life is under threat, facing challenges by deforestation, exploitation, and marginalization.
Kasayahang di mabatik, ramdam sa kasayahang di mabatik,
Agpas lang sa
ramdam sa
doon sa All-Out sa Mindanao, ang patuloy na marsyalo sa Mindanao, ang pagkundina natin dito sa pinakamataas na termino.
But in the face of adversity, a movement is born, a call to action to protect and preserve the very essence of what it means to be a Filipino.
Di nang may kaba.
By promoting the protection and preservation of indigenous people and cultural communities, we honored our true humanity and embracing the diversity as our greatest strength.
Piliin mo
Nagpuso ako na maging guro para makatulong sa mga kabataan, lalong-lalo na sa mga indigenous community.
yakapin mo, kayamanan niyang likas, piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Ang naging benefit ng taga-community for this school is the learners will no longer hide their the values.
We can forge a future where every voice is heard, every culture is celebrated, and every ancestral land respected. A future in which the spirit of Philippines shines bright for future generations to come.
Community Manila with the hit and drums, yeah. Shake it up and dance it like no more drama. And jumping on the Philippines, no one other. The world keeps stopping, but we ain't walking. We keep on dancing, that's how we rock it. 7,107 islands of beauty, pieces of heaven.
Piliin mo rin ang Pilipinas. 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 Kapulo ang kwintas ng pelas. Piliin mo yung kapit mo. Kayamanan niyang ikaw.
Join us in this vital mission. Together, we make difference.